I know it sounds absurd, but sitting on your couch could be one of the most profitable things you can do. And that's because we're gonna start being paid for doing nothing today. So, in today's video, we're gonna show you a new approach for passive income that can generate you thousands of dollars. This is a unique approach for a teenager with no prior online experience to earn money. To participate, you don't need to know how to use Photoshop or conduct any video editing or content development. All I ask of you is a strong desire to make money online and a willingness to learn, because you must pay close attention throughout this video and attempt to follow my procedures exactly. Otherwise, you may be confused and give up on a process too soon, which is something I do not want you to do. Now, I'll show you how to start making money by actively trading your time for your money if you want to. But I'll also show you how to automate the process so you don't have to sit in front of your computer. So, if that seems fascinating to you, give it a shot. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. The main platform we'll be using today is called analysia.com, and as soon as you connect to their homepage, they'll make it apparent what they're doing. Essentially, this is a web usability testing UX and UI community, which means that enterprises and businesses will link to analysia.com to ensure that their products and services are well optimized. Let's assume a company wants to establish a new website. They want to make sure that it's completely bug-free, well optimized, and possibly even user-friendly. Now, in order to ensure that, they'll need people like you and me to conduct the testing, and they're willing to pay a lot of money for it. You may not realize it, but user feedback and user reviews are so important to companies that they're willing to pay a lot of money for them, and we're gonna be a part of that process and take full advantage of it. As you may have noticed, there are three key categories in which we will concentrate our efforts: usability testing, product testing, and cashbacks. Even though I'll discuss and show you how to monetize your time using cashbacks, we're gonna focus primarily on usability and product testing, so I'd like you to click on it. Now, the people over at analysia.com have done an excellent job of making sure that the process is completely user-friendly and transparent. As you can see, the first step is to obtain the necessary equipment for conducting usability testing. However, this does not imply that you must have the same equipment as NASA. To put it another way, you don't need to spend any money on fancy expensive equipment to get started. All you need is a computer or a laptop, or if you want to do it on a mobile device, a smartphone would suffice. Another thing you'll need is a microphone, as you'll be recording your voice. However, you don't need to buy a studio microphone. Instead, you can utilize the built-in microphone that your laptop most likely has. An internet connection is also required, but if you're seeing this video, I'm sure you have one. You can choose one or more user testing sites to work with once that's out of the way and you've obtained the necessary equipment. After that, apply to the selected user testing sites by providing your full name, contact information, and some other information about your devices and so on. That shouldn't be too difficult and it shouldn't take you more than a few minutes. It just entails registration on the platform, so I'm confident you'll be able to handle it on your own. They will supply you with entire practice tests that you may use in order to ensure that you're properly prepared for the real tests. And here is where the learning element comes into play. If you want to learn and eventually trade for money, you should pay close attention to these comprehensive practice tests, because that's how you'll learn how to do those reviews effectively. And now, provided you've done everything right, all you have to do is wait for your first test assignment. Now, that is not up to you. It'll take some time for you to receive your first test assignment, but it'll be well worth the wait once you begin working. If you're accepted, you'll begin conducting usability tests on websites, and as I previously stated, you won't need any special equipment, and you won't even have to reveal your face on camera. All you'll need to do is record your voice while browsing through a web page to ensure that it's bug-free. Last but not least, and most importantly, you'll be compensated for your efforts handsomely. Now, I truly adore this method, and as you can see, a newbie should expect between $10 and $20 for a 10 to 20 minute exam, which is a fantastic price. You're making $1 every minute, and if you're willing to trade your time for money, you'll make a lot. Spending just 5 hours a day doing this test will net you $300, which is significant. And then there's product testing, which is the second group. You'll assemble the necessary equipment, select one or more items, and apply to the ones you've chosen. The first stage will be to wait for product testing invitations, wait for review products to arrive, begin the product testing procedure, provide feedback, and be paid. You are reviewing physical products that will be shipped to you for free. If you really want to maximize your profits and not leave any money on the table, then I suggest involving yourself in both. Now, I don't want to waste your time by talking too much about the cashbacks, but in a nutshell, you can get a percentage of your money back when you buy products from Amazon, be it 25% or all the way up to 40%. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. You don't need a lot of experience to start making money online. You just need a strong determination. This process is going to be quite time-consuming, and unless you're willing to spend that time, this may not be the right fit for you. Now, don't worry, because as I promised, I'll also supply you with a passive source of income, and after you implement it and set it up, you'll have an automatic cash flow that doesn't require your active participation. Basically, the second option is to involve yourself in the referral program. You don't have to stay in front of your computer, you just need to refer people. You get $2 back for each test done by the people you have invited if they actually sign up. At this point, you may be able to understand the enormous potential that this strategy possesses, and in order to put that potential into action, I simply want you to join Trendry.com, a make money online forum. As you can see, there will be numerous categories for different types of activities, like surveys, affiliate programs, passive income, and so on. Now, what I want you to concentrate on is either making money online or earning passive income. Both will work because there will be people interested in the topic you want to promote. However, unless you have a captivating copy that piques their interest, they will not pay attention. To save time, I'm going to provide you with a template that you can use to generate traffic to your affiliate link, and of course, you're not obligated to use it. You can make one that is even more efficient than mine. I'm simply trying to save you time. Okay, here is how mine looks like. The majority of make money online websites are complete ripoffs. They just do not work. I've tried hundreds, and with the exception of a handful, I've never been able to make more than $5. You must develop a skill if you truly want to generate money online. Website testing is, in my opinion, the simplest. There's a platform that will train you from the ground up in that field and then pay you for putting what you've learned into practice. Save yourself some time by doing the following. And here's where you're going to paste your unique referral or affiliate link. You don't have to worry about the shipping or production. Instead, you just have to drive them into a link. This is so much like affiliate marketing, you don't even need to know how to use it. It's all about getting people to click on your link and getting those people to sign up. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.